don't want to bug Maria. I know Maria's doing something right
Yes,
now.
it was.
To produce the 50
Yep,
got
I
it, just
remember
one.
distinctly. That's what I did for him.
Okay, got it. Just want to make sure because I was trying to do.
Yeah, he had a
things at once.
prior I couldn't give.
Karen, you ready for a plea, Karen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, there you go, Judge.
I'm a veteran. We get things done fast and efficiently.
Yes, I appreciate you, Karen. Thank
I've been around the block a few times.
you. Oh,
And I know a thing or two about a thing or two. Okay, I'll stop.
Where's the defendant?
Let me find out.
Karen, and your client is on deferred on felony probation, so he'll still have to report after he gets out.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll make sure and tell him that when he comes
Yeah,
out.
we'll make sure to remind him. Mhm.
They got it.
Yeah. He told me
All right.
nothing's happening to him.
All right. There you go.
We good deal? All right. Cause number 7360608, State of Texas versus DeAndre Murray. Are you DeAndre Murray?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Murray, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Murray, you are charged with the offense of evading arrest or detention. That's a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Murray, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Murray, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Murray, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as they would like on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Murray, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, Mr. Murray, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork called the defendant's waiver of constitutional rights and court admonitions. Mr. Murray, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
All right, great, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Murray, is that what you wish to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, I will approve your waivers then and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Murray, before we talk about the plea bargain, let me just ask you something, sir. You had another lawyer on this case. We did our best to contact him this morning to get him here on your behalf. It didn't happen, and it's a Friday, so we appointed another lawyer to represent you, Ms. Corby. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
And you want to proceed today
Yes, sir.
with your new lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. All right, Mr. Murray, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Murray, do me a favor, sir. Listen up. State's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, State.
Your Honor, the agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 27 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state would respectfully request that this judgment be satisfied.
All right, Ms. Corby, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Murray, is that what you'd agreed to?
Yes, sir.
All right, Karen, does Mr. Murray have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe so.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes,
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
yes,
All right, Mr. DeAndre Murray, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Murray, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest or detention. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
Mr. Murray, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Murray. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest or detention. I assess punishment at $0 fine, the cost of court 27 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Murray, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Murray, you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck to you.
Judge, I would just like to remind my client that he is on felony probation. He needs to report to his felony probation officer. You probably won't be able to do it today because you probably won't get out in time, but definitely by Monday morning.
Okay, yeah, it's a good idea, Mr. Murray, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, take care of yourself, Mr. Murray.
You.
All right, thank you, Ms.
Okay.
Corby, for helping out, Mr. Murray.
Thank you,
appreciate
everybody. Have a fabulous weekend.
You too, thanks.
Thanks. Bye. Bye, Terry.
Bye. Thank you, Karen.
Good weekend.
All righty.
Everybody got everything now?
Doreen?
Yes, I have everything.
What
Maria,
about
we good?
Patel? Maria?
I'm just waiting for Kareem to sign on Silver Thomas.
Okay, yes, I'll sign it right now. Sorry about that.
And everything's good. Thank you.
Okay, guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you.
All right.
Same
guys.
thing. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Hal. Hal, thank you, Hal, for everything, Hal. I know
I
he's-
enjoy
he's,
being here, so I will fill in whenever I have the opportunity.
thank
Oh,
you,
is
Hal.
today your last day?
Yeah, today's
Today.
my last day.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Oh.
We're
Yeah.
getting,
I have run so many of them off. It's amazing.
that's right, Judge, you have.
It's all right.
Hal, it's been a pleasure. I'll see you around the courthouse.
Hey, good luck to your Giants.